Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Masala French Toast. It's very yummy for breakfast and an easy recipe. Let's begin with the ingredients. The ingredients you will need will be 3 large eggs, 1 medium onion chopped, tomato and bell pepper chopped. The bell pepper is required. A few slices of bread, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The first thing we're going to do is add the eggs in our mixing bowl. Now we're going to mix them. Now we're going to add all the spices and all the veggies, and now the onions. Now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to add a few coriander leaves. Over here in our frying pan, we're going to add a little oil. Now we're going to put the bread on our pan and pour a little bit of the egg mixture on top of it. Now we're going to flip it and do the same thing on this the other side. Now we're going to flip it again. It looks so beautiful and delicious. You just have to do this on a low flame so your eggs get cooked properly and they not burn. Now we're just going to do that same thing with the other pieces of bread and your mixture until the mixture is all finished. The toasts are all done now. They're very, very delicious and yummy. So if you make it, you deserve to eat it. So please try out this recipe, like, share, subscribe this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.